Welcome to Walter's Workshop. So, this is my arsenal. I'm still probably what you'd consider a novice and everything, but I started out with the trusty number 4 here that I bought a long time ago because I thought it looked cool, and I ended up cleaning it up and it works great. I got this, the trusty number 5 at a garage sale. It's considered a jack plane. It's a jack of all trades, right? This little guy, just a handy little smoothing plane, and this, I don't know exactly what it would be called, but it gets into the corners pretty nicely and stuff. And the latest edition, oh yeah, and this, I haven't even really had a use for this yet, but by God, I have it. And whenever I need to use it. And the latest edition is this bad boy. And I got it at a garage sale for pretty cheap, and I sharpened that blade up. It is a lot of fun, and it'll remove some material quickly, and it's somewhere around the length of a joiner's plane, but a little bit shorter maybe, and it can be used for any number of things, for smoothing, for really heavy stock removal. You just put a little, round the blade off some and stuff. It's nice and heavy. I haven't used it on, it's supposed to be really nice on a shooting board too. It's got a nice lot of heft to it, so it ought to be able to, of course I have to build a larger shooting board, right? Mine is like that. And so yeah, it's a lot of fun, and I'm working on some big mortises for a bench right now. Thank you for watching Walter's Workshop.